Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have the 1956 Corvette Convertible. I thought I'd take you for a tour underneath while it's up in the air. And we'll take a look starting from the front here. So a lot of attention to detail has been paid following the NCRG, so National Corvette Restorers Society. And you can see how beautiful it is under here. Let's go a little further in. You can see all the, there's your engine here. You can see all the correct factory markings, so the yellow paint there. Let's come around here. The front, the markings there. We'll walk down there. You can see the Xbox frame there. Coming through here, you have your mufflers and your straight axle. You can see all the paint on there. That is purposeful. You can see the straps there, your leaf springs. And then even in the undercarriage here, the fiberglass is all raw. It has not been painted, so just like it came from the factory. It's just a beautiful restoration on this car here. We'll walk to the front now. Get past that. I'll turn back around again. And how about that?